Hi everyone. Today we'll be continuing with chapter 9 only, force and laws of motion, and this is the last topic, law of conservation of momentum. It is very important from your examination point of view also. So in our second law, Newton's second law of motion, what we studied was, we studied that force applied is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. Please look at it very carefully and it is interrelated. Rate of change of momentum. Or I can say force is directly proportional to rate means you need to consider time t also during which the momentum gets changed. Change of momentum is final momentum of the object, final momentum minus initial momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum. Now F is directly proportional to what is final momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity. Mass of the object is m, velocity, final velocity is v minus initial means mass into initial velocity यानी कि u divide by time is t. Or I can say F is directly proportional to m into v minus u by t. I hope this is quite clear. Now I will be using this. Fine. F is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum in my next topic, that is law of conservation of momentum. F is directly proportional to final momentum minus initial momentum by time taken, that is t. Quickly we'll be starting the next topic. This I did because it was interrelated and to recapitulate what we did in second law. Now for law of conservation of momentum, consider two objects, object A and object B, or body A or body B, having mass ma and here mass is mb. Let it be moving at an initial velocity ua and let the initial velocity be ub. There are two objects, object A and B, having mass ma and mb with their initial velocity ua and ub. In this case, ua is greater than ub. I will clear it out why ua is greater than ub. This condition is before collision. This is before collision. अभी ये collide नहीं कर रहे हैं. This is before collision, these two objects. Now what happens after collision? After they collide, what happens? After collision, what happens after collision? These two forces, they come in, these two objects, they come in contact with each other during collision, and let the bodies be A and B with their mass will be same ma and mb, and these two collide. Now when the two objects collide, certain force acts on it. Force act करेगी तभी तो वो collide करेंगे ना. आप किसी चीज से जाके तभी टकराओगे जब कोई force आपके ऊपर act करेगी. Now the force by which A acts on B, force जो A apply कर रही है object B के ऊपर, let this force, इस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स ऑब्वियसली ए इस डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई करेगा. लेट दिस फोर्स बी एफ ए बी, लेट दिस फोर्स बी एफ ए बी, एंड द फोर्स विच बी अप्लाइज ऑन ए. अब ए ने बी के ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई करी तो बी भी तो अप्लाई कर रहा है ना फोर्स. सो दिस इज एफ बी ए. फोर्स which object B applies on A is FBA. The direction of forces is opposite. See, अगर A B के ऊपर action कर रहा है तो B reaction कर रहा है. If action is in this direction towards your right, reaction is to the opposite. Now according to Newton's third law also, to each and every action there is equal and opposite reaction. अगर action इधर है, equal and opposite reaction will be towards the other direction. Now this is, let the two objects collide for time interval t seconds. Now what happens is, I told you here that ua is greater than ub. बेटा ua is greater than ub. ua ज़्यादा होगा तभी तो ये दोनों कोलाइड करेंगे. अगर ub ज़्यादा होगा तो it will start moving in the forward direction. ua will be lagging behind and there will be no collision. I want the collision to happen. So ua is greater than ub so that it collides with object b. Now this is after collision. sorry, this is during collision. Sorry, I'll just this is during collision. Now what happens after collision? Now what happens after collision? After collision, the two objects, they just separate out, A and B. Masses same, MA, MB, and masses are same. They just, and now they have final velocity VA and VB. This is their final velocities after collision. Now what happens is, can you just tell me change in momentum of object A? Change in momentum of object A. I told you change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum. Can I write it like this? Final momentum minus initial momentum. फाइनल मोमेंटम माइनस इनिशियल मोमेंटम. और अगर मैं यहाँ पे रेट लगा दूँ, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम, दैट इज rate of change of momentum is change in momentum divided by time t during which the collision occurs. अब I am talking about object A. Final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum, this is our final position. Final momentum, momentum का formula होता है mass into velocity. So this is mass ma. इसकी velocity, corresponding velocity is va minus initial stage पर mass was ma and velocity is ua by time t. So this is rate of change of momentum of object A. Now according to your second law, this rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied, unbalanced force applied. अब force A ने कब किसके ऊपर apply करी? B के ऊपर. So this is the force applied by object A. So can I write it like this? Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force applied. I can write it here. This rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force applied. अब force किसने apply करी? A ने B के ऊपर apply करी, तो FAB is equal to this. Now this is my equation 1. Similarly, can I write rate of change of momentum of object B? Rate of change of momentum of B. Say final momentum of B, final momentum of object minus initial momentum by time is t, because I have taken rate of change of. This is final momentum of B. This is my after collision. Final is mb, mass into velocity, mb vb minus initial is, my initial was mass into velocity. Mass is same but velocity is different. This is ub by time t. Up now this rate of change of momentum according to second law is directly proportional to force applied. Force कौन सी? जो B ने apply करी दूसरी object के ऊपर. B ने apply करी force FBA. So my rate of change of momentum of object B is directly proportional to the force applied. Force applied by object B. B ने किसके ऊपर apply करी थी? A के ऊपर. तो this is my FBA. This is my second equation. Now according to third law, according to Newton's third law, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. मतलब ये जो दोनों forces हैं ये equal तो हैं but इनकी direction क्या है? Opposite. So can I write it like this? The direction is opposite. FBA is equal to minus of FAB. The two forces are opposite. Magnitude is same but they are opposite in direction. फिर ये दोनों forces कौन सी हैं? एक FAB है, एक FB है. आप दोनों both ways you can write. FBA is equal to minus FAB or FAB is equal to minus FBA. There is no difference. So putting the values of all these, can I write it like this? FBA. My FBA is this. Sorry. mb vb minus mb ub by time t is equal to FAB is this MA, but with a minus sign, don't forget the minus sign, MAVA minus MA UA by time t. Now t and t gets cancelled. When I open the brackets, MB VB minus MB UB is equal to minus of MA VA plus minus minus becomes plus MA UA. Fine. Now I will gather the initial velocity of both the objects on one side and the final velocity on the other side. So this is my initial velocity. I'll take it to this side and my final velocity to here. This is my initial on one side and final on the other side. So this is MBVB plus MAVA is equal to MAUA plus MBUB. Writing it again in symmetrical form, can I write this on the right hand side and this on the left hand side and this on the right hand side is one and the same thing. I will write MAUA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. Now what did you deduce from here? What do you deduce from here? We just deduce that sum of momenta of both the sides what do you deduce from here? We deduce that the momentum remains conserved, like momentum before collision. ये collision से पहले था momentum. Collision से पहले अगर आप momentum देखें, MAUA of the system, मैं पूरे system की बात कर रही हूँ. Collision से पहले MAUA plus MBUB. This is MAUA plus MBUB before collision is equal to momentum after the collision of the system. Now after the collision, MAVA plus MBVB. So momentum remains conserved. Sum of momenta of the system of the initial and the final positions remain the same. So this is law of conservation of momentum. According to law of conservation of momentum, the momentum of the system remains conserved if no external force acts on it. ये जो हमने force लिया, that is internal force between the objects. If no external force acts on the system, then the momentum remains conserved. Initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Initial momentum before collision is equal to final momentum after the collision, or the momentum of the system remains conserved. I'll write out the definition for you. According to law of conservation of momentum, according to law of conservation of momentum, if no external force acts on the system, system is दोनों objects का system. if no external force acts on the system, then the momentum of the system remains conserved. Momentum of the system remains conserved. According to law of conservation of momentum, if no external force acts on the system, then the momentum of the system remains conserved. This is momentum before collision. Momentum before collision. And this is momentum, total momentum of the system. I am talking about total momentum of system after collision. I will repeat it. I will write it again. Before collision was MAUA plus MBUB. पूरे सिस्टम की बात कर रहे हैं. Before collision is equal to momentum after the collision. This will momentum remains conserved. Loss नहीं होगा momentum. जितना पहले था सिस्टम में उतना ही after collision भी होगा, provided no external force acts on it. This is your initial momentum. Final is mass is same, but यहाँ पे final velocity आ जाएगी VA. Mass is same MB, but यहाँ पे final velocity आ जाएगी, and we have proved this out from taking the help of second and third law of motion. I started with two objects. Object A and B, that is before collision, during collision and after collision. Before collision दोनों का mass है MA, MB, and they have the initial velocities UA and UB. Now during collision they collide with each other. They exert forces on each other, FAB and FBA, and after collision they just change their velocity to final velocity, that is VA and VB. So rate of change of momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum, and that is equal to force applied. So this is the force applied by B on A. FBA is equal to this. Now according to third law, FAB is equal to minus of FBA, or you can write the vice versa. But what I want is, I want my initial momentum of the system on one side. Initial matlab UA, UB, and final on the other side. I hope the session is quite clear. In the next session, we'll be doing the numericals related to this conservation of momentum. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a great day.